what time na? It's 6:30. I'm starting walking, going to the main road. 6:30. 6:30 is too hot. There's a... Yeah, it's good to walk. It's good to walk like this because it's cold the weather. But look, have already the sunlight around 8 a.m. too hot, or 7. I walk to the main road around 5 minutes. I reach to the house after 1 hour. Ay, Black Saturday today. So afternoon I'm going to the church. Sunday I have no time because Sunday I'm going back to my workplace. Dadaan ako sa palengke.
Bibidyo mo kami ah?
Hindi. Dadaan ako sa palengke. I'm going to drop to the market. That man said, I'm getting the video. I said no. I'm talking to the one. Oh, I miss my dog. Jandy waiting for me. Because every Saturday she waits for me. Oh. April. The election is coming. So I'm not vote here in this place. I vote in my place in committee. Las Piñas going to Cavite. It takes 1 hour. My trip today. I walk this side because it's not yet the sunlight this side. Look hey, the dog. The dog. Oh, I feel sorry. Those dog in that street. Nobody on. Yeah, the sunlight is there already. I walk this side. No sunlight yet. Altamart is open, just like 7-Eleven. This Altamart. Oh, it's good to walk early morning. So I'm going to the market. I buy something to bring home in the kitchen. Not yet 7 a.m. but the sunlight is already come out. Oh, Philippines, Black Saturday. Tomorrow is the Jesus Rising. Tomorrow I have no time. Oh, sleeping. Oh, I feel sorry about this sleeping. This is the terminal of the tricycle here, but I did not ride. I walk only. It took 7 minutes. Look the poster. It's mayor. Mayor election is coming. All day supermarket is open early morning. Nagli outlets, the main road. Yeah, this guys, you can see every Saturday I walk. We are going to the main road. I'm already eat, that's why I have energy to move. My video, it takes. I will make it long today, my video, so that I can have a premiere this coming noon time before I get the LS. I'm waiting for the jeep here. Those who are other country, good morning Philippines. So those bus is not my ride. This is the one I ride sa Puti Kabila here. Look, the sun. It's good to take the sun. It's a highway. Today is open the market. Yesterday is closed because it's a Good Friday. So now I'm for the people all in the market going to buy meat because today we don't eat meat. Tulong Maria is coming, my jeep guys. See you later guys, see you later. It's good to take the jeep or jeepney driver. I'll take the video. Yeah, not yet. Thank you. Not so much plenty passenger today because it's too early. Ganda magbiyahe ganitong oras na walang traffic. No traffic today. So it's good to transport early morning. There is no traffic. Init-init na. Alas 7 pa lang pero mainit na. 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. I'm reaching the house. there's no traffic. That's why I take the video here. Look, I drop in the market. Singkamas is season ng singkamas ngayon. But it's heavy to bring. I want to buy something here. Yes. This is the big market here in Zapote. So all people is coming here to buy vegetable, fish and meat. It's early morning, it's good to walk. What I buy? I buy my corn and sweet potato.
Hindi pa ka? Hindi.
There's something for the kitchen. Nice. Mangga. Bingo is a season today in the Philippines. See many people here. It's a Saturday because people buy the meat. How much the 90?
Hotel, vlog mo ako. Kaya babagoy yung mga.
Si Kuya sabi niya videohan ko daw siya. Kuya said, Ate, take a video with me. This, I buy something here. The onions and tomato. There's some music here. So people pick up buying here.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Hi! So, I always buy here.
55.
Kuya.
Dito sinasaya. Wow! Kanino to? 55.
I cannot.
Yung ako, alam mo, 20 lang. Ito? Wala. Pabuhat mo yan, kanina. Pabuhat ka kanina.
I'm already finished there. In the street you can buy vegetable here in this side already sliced. That's why every Saturday I came here to buy something in our kitchen. the street. People busy today to buy meat. Holy Thursday and Good Friday, we are not eating the meat. I buy my corn here. Excuse me.
Ano daw eh?
Excuse me. Yeah, I buy the corn here. It's 25 kilo. Yeah, I buy corn. But I want to buy first the sweet potato. Where I still close. See you later, guys. I buy here. I will end my video here.
Sulat mo yung ano mo dyan. Para i-add kita.